What's up everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna do something different. I'm gonna show you how to trick your brain experiment. For this experiment we will need two people. So I'm gonna use my son and myself. So how to do this experiment? So we're gonna set our hands like this and then turn them like that and connect them like this. And then we will get them toward us like that. And you know, some people will be more flexible and some will be less, but that's okay. Okay, let's check it out. So I'm gonna be pointing on the finger and he will be lifting that finger. The key here is not to touch his finger, actually, and just point. Otherwise he will feel what finger is touched and it will actually help him. Let's do it. All right, this one. Good job. That one. Okay, this one.
What?
This one.
No.
Okay, look at that. Okay, let's do another one. This one. Okay, that one. All right, good. So the reason this trick works actually is because your left hand is on the right side and your right hand is on the left side, but the brain thinks otherwise. Okay, let's repeat it again. You hold your hands like this, turn them like that with the palms facing away from each other, then cross your hands, connect your fingers, and then pull towards you like this. Here we go. Alright guys, that's pretty much it, and if you tried it at home, let me know how it went. And as always, subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you guys next time.